Hello kids, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well. Today's video is based on a very interesting topic. Can you guess? Let me tell you. The topic is Magic E. In this topic, we are going to know that how the Magic E gives all the power to the vowels. So let's see. These are the 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, A. These are the 5 short vowels, right? These are the letter sounds. And A, E, I, O, U are the letter names for these letters. But do you know that these letter sounds are very sad because these letters cannot say their letter names on their own because they are in between the 2 consonants and the 2 consonants won't allow them to say their letter name. For this, we need Magic E. So, whenever Magic E comes at the end of the word, it will give all its power to the short vowel in the between of the word so that they could say their letter name. Like A will be changed with abracadabra, gilly gilly choo. It will turn into hop over E. A, hop over E. The action for hop over E is this. Hop over E. A, hop over E. And it will sound as A. Because E will give all its power to the letter A and it will say its letter name. A. Next is E. Let's see. Abracadabra, gilly gilly choo. It will turn into E, hop over E. E, hop over E. And it will say the sound E. Next. I. Abracadabra, gilly gilly choo. It will turn into I, hop over E. I. It will say its letter name. I. Next. O. Let's see in which sound it will turn. Abracadabra, gilly gilly choo. It will turn into O, hop over E. O, hop over E. E will give all its power to the letter O and it will say its letter name. O. Now the last vowel is A. Abracadabra, gilly gilly choo. It will turn into U, hop over E. E will give all its power to the letter U and it will say its letter name. U. Now, let's see some examples. In this, you can see that this is B-A-N, ban, right? In this, A is saying the letter sound, A, right? And now, if we will add Magic E to it, it will turn into bane, right? Next is wine, plane, robe, tube. Now let's see one more interesting activity related to Magic E. let's get started. Now you can see that on this paper here are some words. So first of all, let's read these words. Tap, tap, slid, slid, at, rat, us, et, met. These are some words related to short vowel. Now let's see some magic. First of all, we will have a magic E here. And let's do the magic, and then after that we will see something very interesting. Let's start. Abracadabra, gilly gilly choo. Abracadabra, gilly gilly choo. The magic is done all over the words. Now let's see what happens. Oh, what I saw. The magic E has come on this place. What a magic. Now let's see the words that how they pronounce. It is pronouncing tape. It changed its sound. It is saying its letter name. Tape, slide, rate, use, meet. So these are the words that are changed with the magic of magic E, right? So kids, I hope you enjoyed the video and understood the concept of magic E. So practice some words related to magic E with the activities shown in the video, and we'll meet in the next video. Bye.